There's a really cool moment there at the end of the fight where you guys kind of collapsed at the same time on the cage. Were you aware of that? I mean, what's going through your head, and how do you feel in that moment? I'm sorry. So sorry. My bad.
What happened?
I'll wait.
He doesn't have. Are you a translator, sir?
Yeah, you.
I'll wait for Rob. My
No,
bad.
you mentioned Robbie, you didn't say Albert, so.
Oh, you thought that was Robbie Lawler?
With the beanie, it threw me off. My bad.
You cover this sport? Yeah. You thought that was Robbie Lawler?
I'm sorry.
I thought Robbie may be sitting on the other side. I can't see, so. If you repeat the question, I'll translate.
He'll pass it on to Robbie for you.